Okay, let's turn on this laptop. Oh, it's working, I guess.
So what's popping, guys? Just now I received a package from Amazon.in, and this package is quite long, I guess. And today we're gonna unbox this package and let's see what's inside it. And before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button beside below and make sure to be tuned, guys. So all that being said, guys, let's unbox this package. But before that, it's corner time, so we don't take any kind of risks. Okay. So first of all, let me sanitize my hand. After that, let's sanitize this package. It's all well sanitized. Okay, now let's cut it. I guess I have to cut it from here. So guys, this package took me up to 20 days to receive me here, so it was a very bad service from Amazon. I have to cut this package. Oh, it's so hard, guys. So, yes, we have the original package. Oh, thermocol. There's no bubble. Okay. So we got, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Oh, real guys, it's a laptop battery Jc04. So yeah, here's the bill for this package. Okay guys, so it cost me around 2250 rupees for this generic Jc04 HP Pavilion laptop battery, and it is compatible with, you can see here the models which is compatible for this battery. If you like, then you can also buy this battery. Okay, but before that, don't forget to like my video. Okay, so guys, let's get this outside, and here's the real thing. Let's unbox this whole package. So guys, before buying this product, make sure to see the model number which will be written at this side of your laptop. The model number of your laptop battery will be written at this side, so before buying your laptop battery, make sure to check here. Okay guys, so Jc04 written here. Okay, so let's test it. So guys, see guys, my laptop battery is 0%. That's why I buy this brand new laptop battery, because my old battery wasn't working that way. So let's test this laptop battery. Okay, let's shut down this laptop first. So let's unplug my mouse and let's unplug this charger. Let's drop this aside. My old laptop battery was damaged. Wait a second. Okay, it is same. It is same, guys. Same. It is same. Okay, let's put this new battery. Let's see. What the heck? It's not fit. Oh my god. I thought it will not fit. Okay, let's lock this. Let's test this battery. Okay, let's turn on this laptop. Oh, it's working, I guess. Okay, guys. Alright. Let's check this. Is it charging or not? Wait a second. Wait a minute. Yes, guys, it is charging. That time it was 0%, now it is 3%. It is 1 hour 10 minutes until fully charged. And guys, if you want to buy this my old laptop battery, then I will give you in only 10 rupees. Just comment down below who want this kind of battery. Okay, so all that being said, guys, it's working, it's genuine. I will test it for about 3 days and let's see if it works. Then if it doesn't work well, then I will return it. Okay guys, so in this Amazon package we received a bill from Amazon, and we received this two thermocol, this packet, and this box in which there was a brand new battery. Okay guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And all that being said, guys, I will see you guys in the next one, and make sure to see this mouse unboxing video, which is gonna be in the links in the description box. So all that being said, guys, peace.